Okay, so up to this point, I have proven to you how ridiculous I can get when it comes to selecting a steak to eat. So I did not, I promise, get another 2 pound bone-in ribeye. Did not do it this time. I came to my senses. I got a 3-pound picanha. Picanha is a cut of beef that comes from the top of the sirloin, made popular by the Brazilian steakhouses as of late. Traditionally, they're salted only. That's it. Dry brined in salt, grilled, served. I'm going to do that. I'm going to salt it, let it sit overnight. But we're in Texas. Tomorrow, I'm going to pepper the hell out of it. Well, here we go again. For 2 people, we have all this delightful, beefy goodness. And just to be on the healthy side, vegetables too. What do you think?
I think they look great.